Good evening, all. It is Bob at 2 Pounds Breaks on a Sunday. It is September the 3rd. We are breaking Hits Parade subscription series comic boxes. It's a 2-box break on their personals for Ken Hausman. We've only got 2 left. It is 15 and 38. Friggin' things that weigh a ton, man. So here we go. Bam! Good luck, Ken. Gonna start with 15. Slice gonna be a little anticlimactic with all the things, and you'll even get a couple of broken hero clicks along the way. Oh, no shit. Wow. That's a bonus. It says Ashley, don't know what book she's from, but she's actually a One Piece, which is like a $1 bonus. Alright, bud. Again, guys, nothing else in the box. Just gonna close that up. Again, bud, just gonna flash through those real quick. Well, Marble Zombies at Battle World, though. Suicide Squad, that wasn't such a bad read. This has actually been good. The damn Star Wars pinup book, they've been putting those in all of them. I'll open those in a minute, bud. It's just gonna put those next to it, Tom, right there in your view, so we can do our slabbed card and the books. Your seal. Alright, bud, good luck. I'm hoping we get something for you here. Bam. Well, that ain't gonna be fucking anything. Damn it, man. I am having no fucking luck with these HP, man. Gonna be Siren and Shatterstar on your cards. It's only a friggin' 8 on top of it, man. You think they could give you a good card with this fucking book. Gonna be a Detective Comics 541, bud. She's only a 9.2 though, and I'm almost positive that's gonna be all of a $15 fucking book. Check Comics 541. Well, none have sold, and a 9.4 was 40 bucks. There's none in this grade that have sold that I can find on Go Collect, Ken. Wish it wasn't a better grade. In a better grade, it's actually a $200 book. I had no fucking clue about that. But that was a 9.8. The 9.4 was 37, so that was the last 9.4 that sold. So that was a big bust for you, bud. Again, we're just going to go through these real quick for you. Ken here, just flash through them, just so you know what was in that baby. And I've got Juggle Comics, Antarctic Press, never seen that before. Futures and that whole new 52 line. Sucked some balls there, man. So, alright, we got the Turtles. Again, that was a decent storyline. Hellblazers should be a good read. I have no clue on X-Men nowadays. I stopped reading that a while back, man. Just got too convoluted. Horribly drawn. Not too bad of a book. Jennifer Blood with a photo cover. I've never seen that. Again, Marvel Zombies was a good read. Mighty Morphin #2. I have no clue what that's going to be worth. Again, the Wonder Woman. This storyline wasn't too bad. Don't have any idea about that issue, but that wasn't a bad storyline. Blade Runner, and then X-Men. Sorry guys, just rebagging these real quick. Here real quick in Ken. Gotta get my damn camera focusing there, bud. Come on, bro. Focus, man. What the hell? Come on. Come on, focus. There it goes. Well, Ken, hoping for something in this one, bud. Man, like I said, man, I've really lost my faith in HP. I don't know what happened. You know, I really don't know if they just not packing the boxes. Not that they were ever that great, but I don't know if they've started lowering the quality of even those horseshit boxes or what, man. But I have just not hit anything in so long. Well, that's a good sign, though. Well, it's a Hawkman. I don't know if it's worth anything, but I have no clue on the hero clicks anymore. But it is sealed, everything, so hopefully that's a good sign for you. Like I said, I have no clue on those. Again, Department of Truth, another issue of King Shark, Jimmy Olsen. That thing was garbage. Teen Titans Academy, Legion. That's a book that, man, if they would just get the right writer on, that could be a hugely popular book, man. Love to write Legion. Alright, here comes your slab, though. Again, it is number 3 of the 100. Alright, Ken. Come on, HP. This is our last fucking chance at this. Bam. Well, Infinity Gauntlet number 2. Unfortunately, it's not the original friggin' series, which would have been a nice book, but this is the Secret Wars Infinity Gauntlet. It is a 9/6. You did also get an Adam Warlock 8/5 card. Infinity. Oh, Jesus Christ, HP. Give me a friggin' break. Who the fuck puts a $13 fucking slab in the thing? Okay, how a 9.4 sold for 19 when a 9.8 sold for 13 is beyond me, Ken. There are no sales on the 9.6, which this is. So even in a 9.8, you can see one hadn't sold in fucking 7 years, and it actually lost value in that 7 years, and they put this friggin' thing in there. I don't know what to say about that, Ken. This is precisely why I stopped buying HP, man. It's literally, I am going to call fucking Ken over there and just say, dude, you fucked me so bad over the last few months. It is not even fucking funny. I have pulled nothing but utter fucking garbage from HP products. I mean, unless he offers me something major, man, I am not touching HP for a long fucking time, guys. This is ridiculous. It's fucking ridiculous, man. I don't mean to be cursing, guys, but I am literally, you guys have all seen how much HP stuff we opened there, man. And nothing was worth a shit. It was... That actually looks pretty cool. Not bad art, everything. That one don't look too bad. Yeah, I don't know, man. I'm on literally on my last 100 friggin' HP boxes. We might have had 2 or 3 hits, if that. Maybe. X-Men Futures End. The only good thing about that was that they were friggin' killing that universe. It's the only good thing about that storyline, because that whole thing was a disaster. Suicide Squad usually pretty good. Wonder Woman, Department of Truth usually okay. I thought that was in issue 1 for a second, but issue 12, Books of Magic. Oh God, how this guy gets a fucking work, I don't know, man. This guy literally lives off his fucking father's name. I don't understand. Every time they put this guy on a book, the sales literally take a massive collision, but yet he still gets work, and you have everybody loves the guy, claims they love him, but the guy is literally a book destroyer. Every time they put him on a book, the sales tank like you wouldn't believe. He was on Thor. They were literally going to cancel Thor because his sales were so bad. And then that's when they did the God Butcher storyline, and then Rivik saved Thor. If it wasn't for Rivik, Thor would be canceled. Would have been canceled 20 fucking years ago, thanks to Romita Jr. I don't know how he gets friggin'. I really have no clue how he gets work. You know, the industry writers love him. The fans obviously hate him because, like I said, they don't buy his books. Despite what the sites and everybody else try to pretend, the reality is he's awful. No one likes him, and they really need to stop hiring the guy. It's the only way to say that. Even Superman, that was one of the Supermans, you know, Superman was probably going better at that point than he had been in the last 20 years, and they put him on the book, and once again, he friggin' killed the momentum Superman had. Fucking awful. Well, Ken, I'm very sorry, bud. I did try to warn you, though. I don't know what is going on with HP. It is literally a friggin' mess, and I don't know how. I can't express how bad I pulled from you, HP. It really, your stuff has literally become utter garbage. Yeah, and if I get any more boxes even close to the run I'm getting now, I swear to God, I'm never buying a product from you again. I might not even buy another product from you as it is. So, Ken, I'm very sorry. That's going to wrap up that one, guys. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, 8 p.m. Central, Bobby 2 Pops.